beautiful people. I welcome you today to today's episode. As usual, this is another crypto related content. If you are a newcomer on this channel, please hit the subscribe button. So today I want to reveal 3 good secrets to you guys that will make you earn massively on Hamster Kombat here. Lots of people don't know this, but it has been in existence since the start of this very project. I actually didn't know, most especially the third one I'll show you. I'm actually going to show you 3 different keys that you should always use to maximize your earnings on this mining project, this crypto project. And trust me, you are going to love it. So subscribe to the channel, like the video, drop a positive comment. Let's dive in. Okay guys, we log into this app on a daily basis, right? But lots of people don't know that as we keep logging in, profit or bonus, Hamster Kombat, this project reward you as a user for even logging in on a daily basis. How are you going to claim this reward? That's the reason for this video, and that's the secret number 1 I'm going to reveal to you. So when you open the app, you can see there are new interface added. So just click on daily reward here, right? Just click on it, and now come to this section here. Trust me, the third one is going to blow your mind, guys. Stay with me, don't skip any part. So when you click on daily reward, let me show you something here. Let me actually show you something, guys. You can see they have day 1, day 2, let me change the color, day 3, day 4, up to day 10, guys. And guess what? When you log in the first day, right, and you come to this section, you are actually going to see a claim button somewhere here. You click on it, and then you will receive 500 hamster tokens. On day 2, you are going to receive 1k, meaning that 1k plus 500 on day 2 has given you what? 1.5k. And guess what? On day 3, you are going to receive 2.5k. So plus the 1.5, giving you I think 500k, guys. Incredible. Day 4, they will give you another 5k. It keeps going on and on. But here is the secret. Let's say you've logged into day 5. On day 6, you didn't open the app, or you opened the app but you didn't come to this section to receive it, and the day happens to be over, the day elapsed, the 24 hours elapsed. Trust me, it will be reset and you have to start from day 1. So for you to be able to accumulate this till you reach 5 million, which will be given on day 10, on the 10th day, you are going to receive 5 million tokens. Guys, this actually incredible. Okay, so make sure you always make good use of this when you log into your app daily, because 5 million plus 1 million plus 500k, you can do the math yourself. It's going to help you to accumulate more coins. Now let's go to the second secret I want to show you guys. Now when you come to this same page, look at this section here. You can see 2 YouTube options there, each of them with 100k tokens allocated. Do you know what it means? You know, Hamster Kombat already have a YouTube channel, right? And day in, day out, they post new content, new crypto related content there, which you can learn from. So I'm going to do something for you guys to see. What they require is when you, after claiming your daily tokens, just click on this guy, okay, this arrow here, and click on watch video. Here it will actually take you to YouTube, okay? It will take you to YouTube. Sorry guys, I think the volume was too loud. Sorry. So this is their channel, and this is the video. 3 most famous crypto skeptics, Buffet, Gaitanga, blah 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 blah, right? So this is the video. So after watching about 12 seconds, I'll just click on the like button, and then let me pause the video and we go back. Okay, so when we come back, look at what they are saying. Wait 1 hour before moderation check to claim the prize. So after 1 hour, you come back here, and then your 100,000 tokens will be ready for you to claim. Now let's go to the second one. The second one saying Solana ETF, we will have to do the same. So we will click on it and then select watch video, and then it will take us to YouTube. So this one too, I'll do the same. I'll wait for it to play for about some few seconds. I'll pause it, like the video, and then go back. So it's also saying I should wait for 1 hour for moderation check and other stuff. So remember, once you do this, you just wait for an hour, you come back to this very sections, and then you claim your token. So 100k times 2 is gonna give you 200,000. Isn't this incredible? Now let's go to the third one, and trust me, you are going to love it. So for the third one, I want to show you something here. Can you see that guy? That's the profit per hour. Okay, what does it mean? When you should go to the mine section, that's where you can actually improve or build on this profit per hour, and also by performing your daily combo, which I've been posting always. So that's why you need to subscribe to this channel. So 889,882 blah 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 blah. I've even forgotten the figure, but the actual fact is I have 889,000. So it means for every hour you see it says profit per hour, so it means for every 1 hour I'm earning 889,000 tokens. So today when I received it in the morning, I think I was on my forest trade something, so it took me about 12 hours and I logged back in. And guys, let me show you something. So when I logged back into the account, I was expecting 889,000 times 12. I was expecting more than 10 million coins. But guess what? I only had I was having, I think, 2.6 million. So I was like, what? And I think it has been happening to most of you guys, right? You always log in, I think every 24 hours you receive some coins and you are happy. You are happy that your 2.6 million, your profit per hour is working for you while you are asleep. You are asleep. But guys, trust me, you are wasting much money there. Let's go back and I'll show you something. So when we come to the profits, okay, when I should click on the profit per hour, let's look at something here. Boost your profit. Tap the mining menu to buy upgrades for your exchange, even when offline up to 3 hours. So what this guys means is for every 3 hours, or the profit per hour only works for 3 hours, and after 3 hours it stops mining till you come back to claim the coins before it restarts working for you. So what does it mean? Imagine 2.6 million and I'm supposed to receive it every 3 hours. We have 24 hours in a day, meaning for the whole day, I think I'll be receiving it 8 times, because 3 times 8 is actually 24, right? So 2.6 million times 8. But if you don't know, you'll be logging in for only 24 hours or on each day and you'll be claiming. So guys, this is the secret I want to reveal to you. After claiming it, set your alarms to 3 hours. Right, the alarm rings or figures you out that it's time. You log in after the 3 hours, receive it again. At least you can receive it like 10 times a day. Sorry, at least 5 times a day. Myself, for instance, 5 times 2 million, I think will give me 10 million. And also the daily combo will give me 5 million, meaning I'll be making like 50 million tokens each and every blessed day. Calculate doing this for 10 consecutive days. This is going to give me, I think, 150 million. Incredible, right? Why don't you do this? Subscribe to the channel and comment when you start making good returns on your mining. See you another time with another incredible content. Until next time, be safe.